course, mayor ka naman, lawmaker naman sila. Magkakaroon ho ba ng pagkakataon na,
Huwag silang lalabag sa batas.
is that a warning?
Of course. It's a fair warning to everyone. The people of Manila deserves better. They wanted certainty. They wanted rules are put in order. And it's applicable to everyone. No abuse will be done by this congressman under my watch. No, not a single day.
All right.
Pag mali kayo, mali kayo. Kung kinakailangan arestuhin ko sila, I'll make arrest. That is a promise.
That's how
Because that is
serious
a
you are.
commitment to the people of Manila. Kasi yun ang kinumit ko sa entablado eh. Di ba na maliwanag naman sila, mga tolongges, magbago na kayo ng address. Hold upper, snatcher. Kinumit ko yun sa taong bayan. And the people replied, showing this much